Hi, everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a credit or debit card to your eBay account for making payments. If you're looking to link your card for faster and more convenient transactions, here's how to do it. First, open your browser and go to ebay.com. Once the site loads, click on Sign In at the top left corner and log into your account. After signing in, click on your name at the top left corner and select Account Settings. In the Account Settings menu, click on Payments under the Payment Information section. Once the Payments page loads, you'll see an option to add credit or debit card. Click on it, then enter your card details in the form provided. You'll also see your billing address at the bottom. If you need to change it, click Edit. Once everything is filled out correctly, click Add, and your card will be successfully linked to your eBay account. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful guides.